clear blue skies outside.
It is great out there. Couldn't have asked for better weather. We had all that rain with the remnants of Alex in just a few days ago. That kind of helped put the fire danger down just a little bit. Today we get the sunshine. I ordered it up just right, I think. Hey, here's a shot from just yesterday, though. Back over the Sandia, folks were looking at some rainbows. This shot coming in from Lori Jane Turry, but I'm happy to report that with the exception of far northeastern parts of New Mexico, everybody else is in the clear. Now, when I talk about far northeastern parts of New Mexico, how about this? Not just a chance for rain, but a severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. This is all the area that's currently shaded here in the pink. That's going to include the northeast corner of the state, all the way up into parts of eastern Colorado. As a matter of fact, just down to the southeast of Denver, see that little red right there? It's a tornado warning. So in some parts of the country, the weather is a little less than delightful on this 4th of July, but at least here in the land of enchantment, things look pretty good. Satellite and radar put together, and again, mostly cloud-free skies across the state. That's let the sun come in, and it has really warmed things up. But we're still watching some thunderstorms here in the northeast. Got to keep a close eye on this cluster of storms just outside of Clayton. There is a severe thunderstorm warning on this, or at least there was. It was scheduled to expire about a minute ago at 5:45. We'll see if the National Weather Service goes ahead and reissues on that particular storm. So we're keeping an eye on it. The other thing we're keeping an eye on, obviously, the wind speed. Winds get too high. Sometimes scheduled fireworks displays can't go off, obviously, because of the fire danger. Right now, we've got winds sustained at 20 miles per hour in Albuquerque, 21 up in Las Vegas, 14 in Santa Fe, and wind gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour. What's happening now? There is a storm center up to the north of us, and as we heat the day up, we're mixing some of that wind energy down. But as the sun begins to set, I think those winds are going to begin to come down as well. So I'm still optimistic for all the fireworks displays. Meanwhile, dew point still riding high in the far eastern part of the state. That's where the moisture is, and that's the only location where showers and storms could even have a chance of forming today. We knew the dry air was going to push in from the west, with some of that moist air still lingering in the eastern part of the state. We kept a close eye on the dry line. We did see 1 or 2 thunderstorms come off the Sacramentos earlier today, but those have since kind of disappeared from view. And heading on into Monday, more dry air around the state as the dry air pushes in and holds on for a little while. It looks like it'll be Tuesday and Wednesday when we replenish the moisture. And that's when rain chances, again, will go up around the state. Meanwhile, we take you on this little tour, our region-by-region look at temperatures. We're forecasting a mostly sunny day in many parts of the state from northwest to southeast. And yes, the heat is on. Highs will be in the upper 80s in the northwest. And again, rolling on up into the mid, possibly even upper 90s in the southeastern corner of the state. Needless to say, sunny and hot there. And as drier air begins to move into the southeast, well, we'll also see some warm temperatures, highs in the mid-90s, slightly less chance of getting a thunderstorm in that part of the state, although rain chances in Roswell will pick up again Tuesday through the rest of the week. The same story will be in this northeast, where tomorrow we'll have a warm and dry day, just a few afternoon clouds, but Tuesday on, moisture comes in, and that means a pretty good chance at seeing some of those thunderstorms. Partly cloudy day at best in the northern mountains tomorrow. But again, warm weather across the board. We're going to top out just shy of the 90-degree mark in Santa Fe and probably reach that on Tuesday. Your East Mountain forecast, highs right in the upper 80s. Probably won't make 90 in this area, at least not just yet. But 90-degree temperatures will be around the board throughout the metro area. A mostly sunny Monday as temperatures climb into the low 90s tomorrow, mid-90s Tuesday, and then moisture means slightly cooler conditions, but a better chance for thunderstorms later in the week.